Hello all, welcome to JournalEdge, an ultimate trading journal and analytics platform. Well, this platform is going to transform your trading with AI-powered insights, analytics, and professional-grade risk management. Well, to start with, this is the landing page of JournalEdge, where you'll get to explore what all features this particular application provides: comprehensive dashboard, advanced trade entries, trading psychology, risk management, and many other. Hardly there are any products in the market which will provide these many insights with respect to your trading. All right, probably you can go through demo as well just to understand or to get the glimpse of what this application is all about. And the pricing is pretty straightforward. It's just 1,999 and it's one-time payment. There's no subscription or any other bullshit as such. It's lifetime access. You're gonna get it and you can use it for your lifetime. And then any future updates we're gonna release, we're gonna send out to you freely. All right, that's pretty much about the application. You can basically the landing page URL is www.journaledge.in. You can come down here, explore, understand the features, and probably if you find it interesting, you can click on get started, make a payment, and the download link will appear to you. All right, so yeah, so the idea behind this video is to give you initial kickstart once you have this app downloaded, how to do an initial setup, so that, on a daily basis you can track your trading and understand the psychology behind, understand analytics, basically try to make a sense out of the trades you're taking. All right, let's get started. Well, this is the app this is how the initial login page is going to look like. Well, this app is compatible for both Mac as well as Windows. Whichever kind of laptop or Mac you're using, you can download the app accordingly and get that installed. But to start with, I'm going to log into this. All right, yeah, it has some data already pre-populated. I'll show you. Most likely I'm going to clear all this data and try to explain how to do an initial setup to get started. All right, so basically this app comes with two different themes. This is currently in light theme. If you see here, if you click on this, it's going to turn into black theme or dark theme, what do you want to say. All right, so yeah, whichever works for you, you can go ahead with that. All right, and the left tab has all the features, all the kind of data that most likely that is relevant to your trades that has been taken. Is you can basically go through this individual tab and try and understand the logic behind your trades. All right, okay, should we stick to the dark? I kind of like dark, but yeah, let's go to light anyway, because I think a lot of people prefer to have a lighter version. All right, so this is how there is a demo video which I showed you. Probably you can go to the demo video and understand what all these features, what all these tabs are all about, and what's the functionality of it. The whole main goal of this video is to help you do the initial setup to get started with. All right, so these are some pre-populated data. What I will do is I'll just go in here. I'll go to clear data, and if you can see, there's some like 74 trades, 2 strategies, 2 challenges defined. What I'll do is I'll clear all the data just to give you a clear basic explanation about the setup you should be doing before you get started with logging in your trades. Yeah, now all the data has been cleared off. Now if you see, you don't see anything. It's kind of clean slate now. All right, so basically before you get started, before you bring in your trades that has been taken, first thing you have to do is define the challenges. If you have any targets in your mind, the weekly challenge, a monthly challenge kind of, probably you should define that first. Okay, so trading challenges, let's go and create a first challenge of ours. Challenge name, I'm going to name it as a monthly challenge. Let's say monthly 4 lakh. All right, this is my monthly kind of challenge with the kind of capital I'm trading with. This is my challenge name. And what's the initial capital? Let's say it's 10 lakh. And what's the target? It's basically 4 lakh. And what's the maximum loss that I'm allowed to take in this challenge? Let's say 50,000. All right, and what's the start date and end date? Since this is a monthly, okay, let's say I'm gonna track it from June 23rd to July 23rd. That's my monthly trading challenge. All right, and yeah, monthly 4 lakh. I'm going to just get the same thing monthly. Now I'll create a challenge. Now if you can see, I have created a challenge for myself, monthly 4 lakh. That's my monthly target. So basically this is how the challenge card that look like. Okay, I'll explain you further how as and when we upload the trades, you'll get to see the progress, you'll get to see how the the numbers changes here. and how relevant it's going to be for you. All right, now we'll go to strategies. Challenges has been defined. Now strategies, obviously if you're trading you should have a strategy defined, right? You can't just blindly go buy sell. No, that's not going to work. Definitely that's not a right way of trading. All right, so obviously if you've been doing trading from quite a while, there should have been strategies in your mind, or one or two, or probably based on the kind of market today's behavior is showing, based on that you might take a follow some strategy of yours. Definitely people might be having multiple strategies to follow. So let's go and create one strategy for the demo purpose. Let's say a scalping strategy. All right, this is a scalping strategy. And what kind of strategy is it? A momentum, mean reversion, breakout. Let's say scalping it is, like I said. Okay, and what's the time frame this strategy fits into? Let's say 15 minutes. And what's the kind of risk level this strategy? It's basically low risk and scalping strategy. So let's give the same thing for the demo purpose. And what's the entry rules? Just for a demo purpose, let's say it's a MACD crossover is my entry rule. What's the exit rule on first red candle? Let's say I'm going to exit my entry right after I see a very first red candle, or at the bottom of the red candle. All right, if you want to add some additional notes, you can add it to it, and then say create strategy. Now we have created a card, a strategy card. Now as and when we upload the trades and we tag those trades with respect to kind of strategy you tagged that to, you'll get to see how the progress is going to look like. All right, now all these tabs are kind of empty now because there are no trades entered, so obviously there's nothing to analyze or get you the ML insights. And by the way, this is a FAQ. Probably you can go through every tab of this to understand what is this every tab is all about and how to use those tabs basically. All right, this is quite a comprehensive FAQ which we have created, which will basically help you to get started with the application usage. All right, fine. Now what we have done so far, we have created a challenge because I am working towards a challenge, a monthly challenge sort of, and then have few strategies which are defined here. Now let's go and do a trade entry. So when it comes to trade entry, either you can make a single trade. Let's say you're taking a trade in an Nifty or a crypto, you can give that instrument name here. And what's the strategy? Since you have defined a strategy, you can basically click here, you'll get to see the strategy that has already defined, scalp strategy. And what's the quantity you have taken, what's the entry price, what's the exit price, what's the stop loss, what's the commission you're giving to brokerage, what's your entry time, exit time, what was the emotion when you took that trade, what was your emotion? Were you confident, were you nervous, were you excited? And is there an execution error, like did you made a late entry to your trading, did you make an early exit, you missed the stop loss, partial fail, slippage, all that. Basically we are trying to cover all kind of data which would be required for ML to get some insights with the kind of trades you're taking. That's the whole idea of this app. Okay, most of the time people what do is they kind of journal on the book, basically they write that, make, I know it's a good practice to write it, but then it is not going to help you improvise. It will not give you an edge to improvise your trading gradually down the line. The whole idea of this app is to help you with that edge, with the kind of trades you have taken. All right, so this is how you can make a single trade entries. Barely this is best for a person who is basically taking a 1 or 2 trades in a given day for entire day. You can use this particular tab, or there are people who might take 10 to 15 trades on a given day, given day basis. So for them, this is a bulk upload. So what you have to do when it comes to bulk upload is you have to go, you have to basically, when it comes to bulk upload, even with the bulk upload, you might be following strategy, right? There might be some strategy you're taking. So you have to tag those. You can bring in all the trades executed and tag them bulkily into this strategy what you have defined. The strategy is like scalping strategy, default challenge is like monthly, which you have defined already, similar thing, but you are tagging these all these strategy, challenges, emotions and execution error in a bulk manner for all the set of orders. All right, that's a bulk upload. And then comes CSV template. So see, the initial idea we thought is probably we can we're gonna integrate with all the brokers available like Zerodha, Dhan, Binance, Bybit or whatever. But then we end up like there will be definitely a lot of brokers out there, and probably will end up doing the integration with all those brokers is going to be challenging for us, and it's not it's time consuming as well. So what we thought is, since none of the brokers are following standard format, let's implement a generic approach towards it. What we did is basically we created a template, CSV template. Like Zerodha has its own templates of orders, Dhan has its own template of orders, Binance, whatever. All right. So what all that you have to do is create your first template, or you want like Zerodha. You can name it as Zerodha template. And basically based on the template structure what they follow, you can just basically define a template and then say create template. That will basically create a template for you, and all that template will be visible here. You can just select the template accordingly. You can upload the file here. All right. That basically a generic way of allowing end user to upload any kind of trades that were downloaded out of any broker. Okay. Well, down the line, we are planning to seamlessly integrate with all the brokers, at least the key brokers, major brokers, who basically has a major market share, and basically seamlessly bringing those orders executed on a daily basis into this platform. That's a work in progress. Most likely in the future updates, we're going to give it to you. All right. Now let's upload some trades. All right. It's been enough talk now. Let's upload some trades. Okay. So now what current strategy what I'm following is basically scalping strategy. All right. And what's the challenge? My monthly 4 lakh challenge. And most likely I am always disciplined. So I select the, let's say I've taken some 5-6 trades today and I'm very disciplined about this. So I select the discipline and default execution error. There has been no execution error because I'm very quite disciplined trader. So there's no such thing as it. Okay. What I will do next, I'll go and upload the file. So I have few demo files that I have created for demo purpose. Let's say June 1, I have uploaded one. Okay, now you can see it's here. Let's say import trades. Now if you go to dashboard, ta-da, you see some data now. Right? It's quite exciting, right? There's a lot of data. Earlier it was just empty. Now you can see some data that's explaining about your trades. Okay, this is not enough. Let's upload few more data. With some additional bulk details. Like let's say the strategy will remain the same for now, because scalping strategy is what we are following on monthly. Yes, it's going to remain monthly all day long. Let's say I'm quite excited. All right, and then I did some late entry. Okay, then second day trade I would say. Now let's say import trades. Now even those trades are here, 40 trades. Okay, let's do some more trades. More the data, more the accuracy, more the edge, more the insights basically. All right, let's say I was a bit fearful and then I missed the stop loss, the third one. All right, let's say import, and the last file I'm going to bring in. Basically the idea behind I'm trying to upload this many trades is I want to relate multiple emotions, multiple execution errors, and probably help you show how best our trading app, our trading journal app helps you define the kind of trades you're taking, the kind of edge that you can derive out of this. All right, now we have uploaded all the trades. Let's say for like 4-5 days, for entire week trades have uploaded here. Now you will let me give you a glimpse of what all things that are getting rendered here and how you can make a best out of this app. All right, so basically, yeah, data has been loaded. That's what you can seeing here basically. Now what's your current portfolio value? 1,61,000. What's your total profit? 1,61,000. Win rate is 60. What are total number of trades you have taken? 74. What's your profit factor? 1.74. What was the max down? What was the day wherein you went down? You had a back-to-back stop loss, and what was the max drawdown you had in your all this 1 week day of 1 week trading? It's basically 64,000. And this is a performance heat map. If you observe, I have uploaded 3 different days trades, right? That's basically Friday, Thursday, and Wednesday. And if you can see, we have divided it on an hourly basis, and you can see the heat map, how well it's clearly explaining on what particular hour you are doing good, on what particular hour you are not doing so good. All right. And here is a cumulative PL. This is a cumulative PL, and you have a trade PNL as well, right? For this entire trades you have taken so far. This is a PL distribution. Will you be able to get all this data in your notebook journal? No way. So these are recent trades. All right. Let's see the challenges. See, I have uploaded a lot many trades, right? And I have tagged all those into this monthly challenge. And if you see, my monthly challenge was to make a 4 lakh. And how far I have come so far? For this entire 5 days or 3 days or 4 days, what I have traded, my current P&L is 1,61,000. How many trades I have taken relevant to this particular challenge? 74. How many days are left? 5 days are left. What's the profit progress so far? I have covered 40%. Out of 100% profit which I targeted, which is 4 lakh, I'm at like 40% of it. What's the time progress? Like 83% is done. Yeah. What was the initial capital? 10 lakh. What's the maximum loss? in this particular challenge, 50. Yeah. Now let's go to strategies. Wow. See this. See this. Scalping strategy. The low risk thing. Yeah. What's the number of trades you're taking relevant to the strategy? 74. What's the win rate of the strategy? Will you be able to get this data in your notebook, journal, or any other app available in the market? Scalping strategy, it is telling you this strategy is working for you, and based on the trades you're tagged to the strategy, it is telling you 60% win ratio, which is really good basically. Yeah. How the strategy has been performing so far? Really good. What's your entry? What's your exit rule? Yeah. Let's go to analytics. Yeah. Total trades taken. What's the win rate? What's the profit factor? Yeah. What's your risk analysis? I mean, there are a lot of insights. There are a lot of insights. Your emotions, the way you are tracked. If you can see here, your emotion has been like you are taking like you are taking total 13 trades where you are very greedy. You are taken 19 trades where you're quite excited. And what was the outcome of that? Excellent. I mean, the result has been excellent, but it's not that you should be greedy. Okay, you have to understand this. All this. There's no way you can get these insights by putting in your entries on a notebook. No way. That's where this JournalEdge is so unique. It helps you to understand your trades, help you to derive an edge out of it, right? See here, psychology recommendation based on the kind of trades you have taken, based on the data you have uploaded. It is giving you ML insights. What are the strengths identified? These are machine learning, recommendations coming to you straight on your laptop. Your best performing emotion is greedy with an average P&L. Area of improvement, your worst performing emotion is fearful with an average PL of 1183. Consider developing strategies to manage this emotional state. It is guiding you. It is guiding you to understand what you should be doing, what should not be doing. What's your risk management? See, this is the trade size you have been taking. Risk management recommendation. These are all like if you go to the psychology, the bottom part is basically ML recommendation that you are getting based on the kind of data you have uploaded. Market analysis. Yeah. ML insights. Hour of the day, strategy, instrument, emotion. Time analysis. This is the best part I like. For this entire day, for whatever trades you have been taking from last 3-4 days, it will tell you, explain at what time you've been doing really good. 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 13. Basically, just helping you to understand which part of the entire day is being profitable for you based on the data. Will you be able to derive this insight out of your book? No way. Right? On Wednesday, you took 21 trades, Thursday, 32, Friday, 21. See how graphical it's explaining it to you. I mean, see the June. There's a month, performance trends of June month, July month. These are ML insights for you, right on your laptop. Portfolio optimization. What are the instruments you're trading? Trade log. This is basically a filter for you all kind of. If you want to filter, understand, go through all the trades you have taken specific to strategy. You can filter it based on strategy. You can filter it based on greedy, emotions, excited, date. You can filter it out. And if you want to, basically export this data, you can do that. Down the line, we are going to build a new feature into this. Very you're going to generate a PDF. A PDF will basically comprise of all these charts, heat maps, all these analytics, ML insights. All this is going to come to you as a PDF. All that you have to do is come and click here, export your data. It will going to generate a complete analytics PDF for you, where you can share it with your friends or within your circle to explain how you have been doing so far. You can probably share your scalping strategy and its results, all that. Okay, and you can probably clear the data. If you want to get started from start again, just go and clear all the data, or you want to just clear the strategy or just the challenge or create all the trades you have taken, all that. Or you can basically, if you have exported and if you want to import the same back here, you can do that. All right, yeah, this is all about JournalEdge. We have tried to create a best JournalEdge possible in the market. I don't think you will find these kind of features in any tool. It's an open challenge from my end. You will not find this kind of a journal available in the market with so many features. I mean, that too for this price, 1,999. This is chiller. I'm telling you. With this kind of application, the insights you're gonna get, how we gonna build your trading path, trading career using this tool is unimaginable. This is giving you a complete entire perspective. It's giving you a complete idea where you're going wrong, what you should be working towards to, what are your risk factors, how you have been sizing your trades, challenges. Stick to your mindset, stick to your strategy, define the strategies, define multiple strategies, tag your trades based on strategies you have taken, understand how those strategies are performing. This is like, I'm telling you, this is a must have tool for any trader who is quite serious about his trading career. All right, yeah, this was my this is the first video basically to help you understand how to get started with. I am hoping you have liked this app, uh, and I wish you all the best. Go for it. It's 1990 is nothing. Okay, you're gonna lose one trade loss is gonna eat up your like 10-15,000, but this is for lifetime what we're giving you. This is like a bible to build your trading career. All right, I hope you understand the importance of this app. Purchase it and build your successful trading career. All right, fine then. Yeah, this is the website, www.journaledge.in. Come down here, explore, see the demo video as well. Go for it here. 2000 is nothing, I'm telling you. 2000 is nothing. Go for it and you'll not regret. All right, thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a good journaling. Bye.